Cancer is hard to cure. Scientists have been finding new ways to fight against it for years. What about a successful breakthrough? Let me introduce you to immunotherapy. Immunotherapy is all about utilizing our immune system. To begin, let's start with these guys from our immune system. Oh, here comes the dendritic cell. Dendritic cells patrols in our bodies and swallows anything suspicious in its way. This process is called endocytosis. Then, dendritic cell would transform these protein pieces into antigens, place them on little plates called MHC, and present them to other cells. Now, let's meet cytotoxic T cell and helper T cell. Proteins named T cell receptor on the membranes can bind to the MHC to distinguish antigens. After binding, T cells will be alerted. But to start them from working, we still need a second signal, or co-stimulation. Well, here comes the tricky part. Co-stimulation is accomplished when proteins called B7 and CD28 bound together. However, another protein called CTLA4 works as a brake. It binds with B7 more easily to stop CD28 from sending signals, which stops T cells from being activated. To prevent this from happening, here comes monoclonal antibodies that bind with CTLA4. Thanks to them, B7 can successfully bind with CD28 without the interference of CTLA4. After being activated, T cells will proliferate into memory and effector T cells. Memory T cells are copies of the original ones, and they make the previous process more likely to happen next time. Effector helper T cells will send messages to warn and stimulate others, and effector cytotoxic T cells are ready to fight. So, let's focus on our brave effector cytotoxic T cell. After so many difficulties, it can finally kill cancer cells. Oh no! It's PD-L1. If PD-L1 binds to PD-1, these warriors will be energized, which means turning them into sleep mode. This is how cancer cells protect themselves, and also why our bodies can defeat them only by ourselves. So, we need our savior again. Monoclonal antibodies. After they each bind to their counterpart, nothing can stop the effector T cells. By applying monoclonal antibodies, the immune system becomes our best weapon of fighting cancer. Sometimes, the best solution to problems lies in nowhere but ourselves, just like immunotherapy. So, believe in yourself and the power of science. Have a nice day, and thanks for watching.